What's up, guys? There's a new lab test in Yeeps. I don't really know anything about it. I think it's like construction update or something. I saw one new thing. It's like zone copier. So like, that sounds pretty cool. But let's go check it out. Let's go to the tech web.
Spoiling it for me.
It has to be something new. Oh, come here, come here. Look at that. Zone copier. What the? Vote broadcaster. Voting? Wait, look at this. Look at this. D-latch, SR latch. Alright, that's new. So D-latch is new. Highly doubt that there's any. I mean, it's worth a shot. Oh, there is something. Chainsaw. What?
Copy that immediately.
Yo. Okay, I don't really.
Well, I got it to work.
Wait.
Oh wait, I pulled it down.
Oh, normally you cannot use a chainsaw in the wild. What? This is OP.
This is what?
What? That's weird. They added construction site, like, as a map.
Yeah. Yo, this new map looks peak.
This is pretty much just construction site, and then look, there's little things right here. Oh, what the flip?
Actually, this is an OJ cut.
Hey, buddy. I'm right behind you. I think there's a new camera, I think. Yeah, wait, what? Camera.
Is it like
Oh,
motion
look.
capture or something?
Look. It focuses on that instead of us. And, like, the drone focuses on it, too.
No, wait, the new drone pet. Oh my gosh. Wait, look. Go get it. Oh, game.
Hey, look, there's this. Oh, what?
Please tell me it works like how I think it works.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, wait, hold on. This is so
What?
cool.
That's... Wait, can I... Oops. Can't copy zones in the wild. Dude, what?
This is gonna help so much.
Oh my god, this is perfect. But... Right vote message.
Yippee! What? It makes a little noise. Hold up, wait, do that again, Wait, listen to the noise.
Oh. No. Then.
That's another noise.
Will this just... Oh, come here! This is so useful! Like, grab the button.
Oh wait, the button? What?
Yeah, and you can see, so you can tell, oh, something connects to it.
Yo, yeah! This does it for it too!
Oh, and this one.
Awesome.
Hey, look, it's in the arrow's blue on this. So if you press it, and then you press this, then it doesn't go until this thing runs out. So now it's permanently on, and you press that, it doesnn't do anything. So you can make a bunch of mini games.
It even tells.
So, like, you can ask a question, it's yes or no only. And then Riz is crazy. Yes gives an output, no gives an output, and then the way you activate it is with this.
Can you like label? Sweet. Sweet.
Oh my god. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. This bonus update is super cool. There's not that much stuff, but all the stuff that they did add is just awesome. All very useful. Even this little gimbal thing, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, if you enjoyed, make sure to like this video, and as always, join the YouTube and the Discord, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
How many Yeep plushes do you guys own?